We are in the heart of Preston Hollow, centrally located in Dallas, highly desirable neighborhood. Everyone enjoys the large lots in Preston Hollow. Let's take a look at this classic Preston Hollow home. Here we are in this absolutely beautiful 6,700 square foot home, 5 bedroom, 5.5 bath, 3-car garage, home theater, and a gorgeous outdoor living space with a pool. Right off the entry here, we have this gorgeous formal dining area for your holiday dinners and intimate gatherings. Over on the right-hand side that I really like is a private office, so people don't have to go through your entire home if you're having business meetings at home. Now, we're gonna go into the heart of the home. We all know what that is. It's the kitchen. I absolutely love this kitchen. It's got high-end appliances, the huge counter where you can have meals at breakfast time. And of course, as I mentioned, it is the heart of the home. From this vantage point, you can see the whole house. Here in the living room, you can have intimate family gatherings with the fireplace, enjoy some time having someone else make you a cocktail. And as a mom, what I really love about this house and the open concept is that I can enjoy watching my kids at the pool while I'm taking care of making dinner in here. And here on the main level, we have the primary suite. Standard bedroom, but here is what you're gonna love. This amazing bathroom where you can technically have another party. It's so big, it has his and hers, closets, bathtub, stand-up shower, and a plethora of space for you to get ready. And on the main living floor, we also have a guest suite, private, next to the kitchen, away from the primary bedroom, which I love, and also a home theater where you can watch the Cowboys win the playoffs. And here on the second floor, we have the remaining bedrooms that all feed into this living space. I don't know about you, but I really love, as a guest, having a separate space to go to so everyone's not on top of each other. Just another great feature of this amazing home. Since I know the inside was really small, how do you compensate for that? You have a really big backyard. You have an outdoor kitchen with a lot more seating so that you can grill out and enjoy our wonderful Texas heat. So if you're moving to Texas or the Dallas area and you need help finding a home, give me a call.